This time I'm asking ChatGPT to write me a short story in the style of Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes. Let's have a look. Once again, you can be more specific on what you expect in this story, what it's going to be about, and how long it's going to be. By here, you can already spot two main characters, Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson. And here you can see London and the mystery. Something disappeared from the home of Lord Blackwood, and they're trying to investigate that. As you can see, the dialogue is pretty authentic. Gentlemen, I'm in dire need of your assistance. Or rather, gentlemen, I'm in dire need of your assistance, or something like that. And as you can see, the story itself is pretty short, and they managed to solve the mystery within one output of ChatGPT. But then you can type something like continue, and it will continue with the story or specify how many parts this story should have. But I'm quite happy with this result. So you can pretty much write any story you want.